Morning students, I am Anshali Pawar, your social science teacher, and I hope that you are doing well. So students, if you were not able to attend the online class, I will be explaining you how the working progress of our worksheet that I have shared today. This was the only topic discussed in the online class also. Otherwise, there were some doubts taken by the students from the students, and if you have any problems, you can always message me on the group, or you can also contact me. So you have not missed much if you have not attended online class, but for some reason I want you to attend the online class because it is more interesting and it gives you a new strength and you new interest in studying again, because these are not normal times when you are just studying in a normal way in the school. This is different, and online classes give you a new vision towards your studies. So I explained in the online class that this worksheet is consisting of these four things: book exercises, multiple choice questions, short questions, and long question answers. So the book, I have given different dates in front of them. You can also do it as per your convenience whenever you want to do it, on Saturday or Sunday or today, but I have given these dates so that you can divide the work and do it. I have shared it today because till Tuesday we do not have any other class. So till that point of time you can complete your work. I have also given here that till next class, which is on Tuesday, you complete your work. On Tuesday we will be starting a new chapter. So before that, please complete your work. Now I have also given you here that what all needs to be done where. Like book exercises need to be done in the book only. You do not have to copy the book exercises in your notebook. Multiple choice questions, short question answers, and long question answers, you have to do it in the notebook. Here you come on book exercises. I have given it in front of that also, to be done in the book only. Then again there is a book exercise of fill in the blanks. Then you have to do it in the book only. The answers are given here on the below. From there you can see the answers if you're not able to solve it by yourself. Now comes the multiple choice questions. So now, marking the answers for multiple choice questions, you can tick your answer, or maybe you can underline the right answer. I have given the answers here on the below, and in the from the below you can see the answers, but first try and solve them by yourself so that you are aware about the questions and your understanding of the chapter also. Then there are short question answers, and then there are long question answers. So please write down the short question answers, long question answers, and MCQs in your notebooks, but the fill in the blanks and true and false you have to do in the book only. So students, if you have any other problem, you can always discuss with me on the group also, or you can reach out to me on personal number as well, you have it. But please try and restrict your calls in the day only, and if is there any emergency you want to ask me, you can always contact me. But I would still wish that if it is possible for you to attend an online class, it will be much better. You will enjoy studying more. If you have any doubt, please clear that out, because that is what has been discussed on the online class as well. Just that some of the students who had some doubts, we discussed them, and the worksheet was discussed, how you need to do your worksheet. That's it. So I hope that you have not missed anything, because I've covered everything that was covered in the online class. If you have any doubt, you can always message on the group, and I will clear them out. I will clear your doubts and I will explain it to you. Thank you students. Please take care of yourself and your family as well.